Hey there, delightful makers. I have a new mini collage for you. This is the sleeping dragon, and he is still on the silicone mat. I have not pressed him yet to make him one piece because I wanted to talk about what to do when your collage really is one big body, and typically he would be just one color, maybe with his scales and stuff, and then you'd have the shadows that would show like his arms and legs and the curve of his tail. So what you will need to do is pick various shades of the color that you're going to use for your collage. So I went with teal, and you can see the main body is this kind of flowered teal, and this piece here is a second piece that was cut to help create that curve of the body going down the tail. And then I had some of this fun scale print that I used for the tail. Now, another thing is the head. I'm still not loving it. I feel like it's a little too light, but it's going to work for me for now. But then I put that on the front side of the wing. And then this is the underside of the wing. So the underside of his wing has little stars. And this little star was actually cut out separately to kind of blend that wing there. The legs here are a much darker teal because I wanted you to be able to see the curve of the legs, and then his little belly matches these scales. So that's kind of what we have going on here. And then he has like the little fins, I guess. I don't know what to call these. I used the green in both places for those to kind of pull those together, and then the little horns match the wing. Now the horns could be a completely different color if you want. I just kind of liked the little sparkles in his horns. So if you decide to make this collage, you're going to want a variety of shades in the same color in order to kind of play with this shading of the tail here, of the legs, and the little hands. Its eyes are actually these little pieces of this flower. So when I was looking for the eye, the pattern gives you kind of just a curved shape. You want to look for a pattern in the fabric that kind of has that little curve. So these are what I used for his eyes. And then for the little nostrils, the pattern does give you little circles that you can trace and cut out. But I found these little circles, they almost look like little fish eggs in this pattern. But I found a couple of them, like there's one there and one there, that I cut out to be his little nose. So they're not the same, but they're same enough. Like dragons don't have to have exactly symmetrical nostrils. So that is the Dragon Collage Mini. And I hope that you have fun making your own little dragon. You can find the link to the pattern in the description below, and have fun making him. Look for shades of your favorite colors to get some of that shadow and shading so he's not just one body color. And I look forward to seeing what you create. Now, go make something beautiful.